Hey everyone, my name is Whitney and I am here to do a taste test of Krispy Kreme 65th anniversary of Barbie collection. I'm so excited, so please stay tuned. So I was at Walmart earlier filming Halloween decor videos and I noticed that this collection was out. I was like, I have to do it. Look how beautiful they are. So I believe there are 4 different flavors that are out, and this half dozen only has 3 of the flavors. The other one, let me see, is the Malibu Dream Party Donut, and it's blue, and the graham cracker looks like sand. It's really cute, but okay, so I'm gonna get out the first one. And this is Barbie Berries and Cream. Berries and Cream. It is unglazed. It is a shell donut filled with strawberry cream, dipped in white icing, drizzled with purple and pink buttercream, and topped with a Barbie heart. Absolutely love that. Mmm. That is so good. It's been so long since I've had a donut. I don't know if you can tell. You can't see it right there, but on the back you can see the berry filling. Let me get that side. I'm going to try these and then give them to my family. Mmm. Oh my gosh. That tastes just like a toaster strudel. Did y'all ever have that as a kid? Let's eat the heart. Why is this not focusing? It's like, it's white chocolate. It is so good. Wow. It is so flavorful. I love it. I love the pink and the purple. It's so pretty. It came out on the other side. So messy. Messy, nerdy Barbie. Alright, so this is the Barbie pink donut. I love the glasses. That is so cute. It says, original glazed donut piped with pink buttercream, sprinkled with sparkly pink sugar, and topped with Barbie signature glasses. I really like the icing. It's very light, almost whipped, compared to like the other one or like that one. That's really good. I never eat donuts, guys. I never cheat, but I'm doing this video for you. Okay, that's not chocolate. That's, what's it called? Fondant? Fondant? I don't know the word for it. But yeah, it's just made out of sugar. It's not good. The heart was good though. Alright. So this is the Barbie Sweet 65th donut. Original glazed donut dipped in chocolate icing and sprinkled with Barbie Sweet 65th sprinkles. So it has stars, dots, and just regular sprinkles. So, you know, it's not really that different from their other donuts, but it has the fun colors. This one's my least favorite. It is still good though. Alright, so that is all the flavors. Let me know if you all plan to get these. And definitely subscribe if you would like some fall and Halloween themed food videos. I'm bringing them back. Coffee videos, all kinds of stuff. We're going to have a lot of fun this fall, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch me. I appreciate you, and may you have a blessed day.